Hi, chocolate lovers! Ever wondered how professional chocolatiers get that irresistible sheen on their chocolates? Today, I'm going to show you how to master the art of chocolate tempering so you can get that glossy finish at home. First things first, what is chocolate tempering? It's a process that involves heating and cooling chocolate to stabilize it for making candies and confections. This ensures your chocolate has that satisfying snap and gorgeous gloss when it sets. Now, let's talk about cocoa butter, the magic behind the shine. Cocoa butter in chocolate can crystallize in several different forms. The crystal form we're interested in is called beta crystals. These are responsible for giving well-tempered chocolate its firm structure and shiny appearance. So, how do we achieve this? The key is careful control of the temperature. Start by slowly melting your chocolate. If you're using dark chocolate, you'll want to bring it up to about 115 degrees Fahrenheit. For milk or white chocolate, aim a bit lower, around 110 degrees. This melts all the cocoa butter crystals, giving us a clean slate to work with. Once melted, we need to cool it down. Add chunks of unmelted chocolate to bring the temperature down to about 82 degrees. This starts forming our desired crystals. Stir continuously. This step is crucial. The final step? Reheat the chocolate to about 88 to 90 degrees for dark chocolate or 86-88 degrees for milk and white chocolate. This melts any undesirable crystals that might have formed, leaving only our shiny beta crystals. And there you go. You've just tempered your chocolate. Pour it into molds or dip fruits and let it set at room temperature. The result? Beautiful glossy chocolate that breaks with a perfect snap. Remember, tempering might require a few tries to perfect, but don't get discouraged. Practice makes perfect. And hey, you get to eat your experiments. Thanks for tuning in. Dive into your chocolate adventure and let every piece shine with perfection. Until next time, keep those taste buds happy.